Right, welcome back to DevTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an application that you can use to make money online without doing any investment. So if you're still new in this YouTube channel, I would like you to click on the subscription button of this channel that you're watching. Click on the subscription button, then click on this bell icon, then click on all to turn on the notifications. So when I make any video, you'll be among the first people to get notification of any video that I publish. And also don't forget to click on the like button of this video that you're watching. So let's go back to our video of the day. Today I'm talking about this app. I have been using this app not even 2 days. It is only one day when I'm using this app, and I have checked it and I've seen that this app is really paying. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account in this platform, how you can earn free money, both USD, Matic, BTC and many more coins using this application. You don't have to do any investment. All you have to do is to download it and do what I'm going to show you right in this video. So this app is called Fish Jump. So I have left its link under this video description, and when you click on that link, it is going to ask you to download this app. And here is it. So you can click here to download, or you click see in Google Play Store, and it is going to take you to the Google Play Store of this app. After downloading the app, you click on this play button. Now when you tap on the play button, it is going to bring you to this area where you're supposed to click on sign up to create an account using your Gmail. Just click on sign in, then click on agree. Now here it is going to load you. Then here you select the account that you want to use to create. I want to use this one. Just tap on it once. Then as it loads, then here you click on OK. If you click on OK, it means you want it to open for you this page. But if you don't want, you can just click on cancel. Now when you click on cancel, it is just going to bring you here and pass you through this interface of this app. So you can read all this, meaning they are passing you through this button. Then you click on next. Here it is telling me hold the screen. So it is going to give you all that tutorial. Just pass it, and of course you've seen that is how it is. And now if your account is still new, you'll see that your thread is not very deep. It is only 2 meters, but still it is going to show you all this. Just click on it as it is explaining to you how the app is. Then here it is. Then you can click on use hook. Then here also go ahead and give a fishing another try. Then click on OK. Then tap here. It means you're just learning. They are passing you through, and of course as you're learning, even you're earning. Yes, you've seen. So now you click again. Okay, yes, here again it passes you through. This is max count. Each upgrade allows for a greater abundance of fish to be caught. So there again you click, you can just click on it, then it brings you here. Each upgrade allows you to catch fish from a deeper water every time. So that is, now I have level 2 there because this account is new, so it is not very deep. It is just going to be shallow. Then again you click here. Here it tells you each fishing trip depletes your energy. So now as I have seen, I have 19. So when I dip it, it is going to reduce. That is what it says. But of course after every 4 minutes they give you at least free energy. Then here also click. Here also it gives you inviting friends to join the game can earn you additional reward. Yes. Then also here it is telling me to invite. Now when you invite people here, you're going to earn 8 diamonds. That helps you to make a withdrawal. Just click here. Then you can share it to either using Twitter, WhatsApp, or you just copy the link. Then here it is saying here you can exchange gold coins for token, just so you know. Just tap on here. Here all they are just teaching you on what to do. And now here they are saying the minimum is 10,000 X. Then here they are saying 100,000 X gives you 1 USD. Then more coins for exchange. Just click on it. Then you see these are all the coins that you can exchange with those points. Then now after that we go back here. Then now here you can start the game by just tapping here. And you've seen, because my thread is too short, so that is where it is ending. So guys, then after all that, at least watch these diamonds, because these diamonds are the ones that help you to make a withdrawal. The minimum diamond you must be having so that you can make a withdrawal is 35. So when you have 35 diamonds, it means you can make a withdrawal of 0.1 USD. And of course, I'm going to show you all this in the next steps that we are going. Yes, after it is going to load on your right hand side where you're supposed to click on X to cancel. Then after it's going to take you back to home here as you're seeing. And now here you're seeing I have 1 diamond because I have watched that video. Now for your thread to go deep in water, just tap here to buy more length of your thread. And now this one here, they need 75 coins, which is here. These coins are the ones they use for you to buy the depth and for you to buy the count of fish you want. So now if I tap here, you're going to see that they are going to chop it from there and it is increasing to 4 meters down. Now I can just tap here. You tap anywhere, then it is going to get for me. Yes, so it has just got 2 because my thing is still short. But that is how you keep buying and you keep watching these videos so that you get more diamonds to make a withdrawal when you reach a minimum withdrawal, which is 0.1 USD, and you can withdraw to USDT Polygon network. That is the only network you're supposed to use to make your withdrawal. Click X to cancel, then click on OK. That is all. So I have my main account. This is just account that I've just created to show you how it is, and I'm going to show you my withdrawal proofs from this platform. I did this withdrawal less than 1 hour after me creating an account and playing games from this app that you're seeing. And here you're seeing this is USDT, then there is fish, then also we have BTC, or you see here we have BTC, then we have Matic down in this water. So when your hook gets this, you'll be having 0.2 USD in your account when you get, like when you catch this USD icon. And also for BTC, you'll be getting 0.00 something BTC. Guys, I've proved this app and I've been sharing it in all my groups, and people have started using it right that very time. Before I even received my withdrawal, I'd shared it with people. So you can also find the links to my Telegram group, the links to all my WhatsApp group under this video description. Click on them and join. To make a withdrawal, just come and tap on withdraw button next to invite, and here you're seeing I have 1 USD, I have 0.2 Matic, I have 0.12 WETH, I have 0.008 WBTC, then here I have 300 GF, but this one I cannot withdraw. But of course here it is saying standby, meaning I can make a withdrawal in time to come. Now for you to make a withdrawal, you just click on, like for example you want to withdraw USDT, click on withdraw, and the minimum diamond for you to withdraw like 0.01. As you've seen, these are my withdrawal records. I have withdrawn just today. I withdrew 2 times from this platform. Now from there I just click on withdraw. Then here, if you have not yet added your wallet address, it is going to ask you to add, and the wallet address that you're supposed to use is USDT Polygon. Now let's go to our exchange wallet. I'm using Trust Wallet for this, but you can use Trust Wallet, you can use Binance, you can use any other wallet. This is how you can add it to your list. Here you come and click on this menu icon, then you click here, then you tap on USD. Because me, I have already money in it here and I've turned it on, that is why you're seeing it up there, but you would look for it, it would be down. Yes, here it is USDT Polygon in bracket POS Tether USDT. Now after you click here to turn it on, if you turn it on, it means you're bringing it to your home page of your Trust Wallet. Like mine is already here. And now if I tap on it here, you're going to see that I have my withdrawals that I received from this platform. This is my first withdrawal that I received. I did 2 withdrawals and I received 0.1 from this platform. Then after you copying your wallet address, you come and add it to this app so that when you're making any withdrawal, it is going to be there. You just click on withdraw, you enter. Guys, this is a trending app now. There is no investment that you're supposed to do. All you have to do is just to download, install, create an account, log in, and start making money. Guys, I think that is where I'm ending with this video. If you're new in this YouTube channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video with all people you want to invite to this platform. Guys, we meet in the next coming video.